abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe sekudwini ekudwini.
Hello Zimbabwe, how are you? Linjani? Welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive, brought to you by Deb3 Event, inkampani enkulu. Deb3, for those that don't know Deb3, I hope you guys know, but skhumbuzaneni, and for all those that don't really know what Deb3 Events is all about, it's a company which specializes in organizing, executing various types of events from corporate, educational, social, entertainment, and community events, to mention but a few. So AMA services that are offered by Deb3 Events include event conceptualization, planning and management, event sound engineering services, PA system hire, LED screens, stage hire, lighting, clear lights, as well as special effects. Kunengi guys, but ngingachonela ikhona mhlabeni nikibhuku ukuthi ngiyobala because it's actually a lot. Leslie, la nxa ufuna ukuthatha amapicture ngiyakwazi ukuthi awubukeki kakhulu, but la nxa ufuna ukuthatha amapicture, photography, Deb3 can do that for you.
Ngiyawasebenzisana.
Anyway guys, my name is Nondudu Zoncube. Ngihamba lo General Leslie. Indoda embi ngabomo.
Uvela kusho anti imbuli.
It's a big advantage kuba uGeneral eZimbabwe. Yakwazi uvuka uMinister.
Serious? Ukuthi uyabupromotiwe mbe yabudemotiwe.
Ngiyabe mpromotiwe. Imagine wena usuke empopeni usisaba Minister of Sports and usutshona uzikhabela ibhola utshaya ingungu.
Okay.
Utshaya ukhwelo.
So singakukhangela ngaleyo ndlela kuthi uyabusa manager lama shutdown, yabona uyabusa ukwanisa ukuhengla labomlungisi oColtat ukuthi hey bantu
lapho kunzima because kwamba ngona ngikumbula ukuthi General wamba menzana nxa bona beqayisa idrama yena uGeneral emutsha ukufika phela uyinto lo. Anyway, no, but I think we spoke about this last time, and
we did.
Then I'm a venue kanti malutshwane yini koBulawayo.
Ama-venue akhona, but I think also it even nxa singa mina nti ngatsho ngathi mina ngisesayidini lika Coltat, but still even if that is the case, you find ukuthi wena nxa ufuna ukuhosta event you want indawo enhle, indawo ekhangelekayo. And so I think it's also the fault of city council ekumaintaineni izindawo zena lezi esikhuluma ngazo, because people would always choose nicer places. For instance, why would you choose White City over Queens? Because someone was saying White City.
It shut down. It happens at least 3 times a year.
Yeah, I don't know. Would say Shatani 3 times a year.
I think it's almost 3 times a year, and iyagcwala. Okuzayo anti. So ngombono wami ngabantu abalayo imali yokwenza izinto zenzakala anti. So why bengadingi indawo bayivuselele? Because asonto phela uthiwa iyenzakala ka once iphelile. Into abayenza every year and at least 3 times a year. So nje uthi emuva konke labe bengaplan, because that's part of it development phela anti. Ekuthini sokule ndawo edevelopa ngabantu be shut down ukuthi bafokwenzela bona i shut down.
You know what, Leslie, I don't think Oma organizer is shut down. Yibo abale responsibility
so bengakhali phela.
Lalela. Nxa bona betshelwe kwathiwa we can give you i-venue Queens. The person who manages
then kube sokufika esikhathini sokuthiwa asisaliniki i-venue.
Yeah.
Antu liloja nje. So kungathiwa phuma phela.
When we uyabuvakatshele iloja.
I'm saying for the development of uBulawayo and alright, ama event lawa besides ukubuthanisa abantu.
Okay, besides Queens and Trade Fair, which events, which places would you
and I said Huddersfield.
Huddersfield?
Huddersfield and where to see it?
Compare White City le Queens kodwa
asoze
guys.
si-compare but i-Queens at some time ibingani layo sifahlakala yavuka nti ngama-event so nxa sokuthiwa sisalifuna sihambeni kwenye indawo siyevuselela
Yani.
because this is a big event and eletha imali eningi and ebanikazini bayo i-event and so why not because ungakhangela like siyahlala sikhala ukuthi kobulawayo hey akula development and then isabe sithethisa abantu beharara but magawu busy yakhe izitadium ngayo sithi wrong umuntu echechi yakhe izitadium and thina senzani.
Yeah, that's true.
But from me, incwadi ye-council liyani. I think I'll go with the city fathers.
Yeah, me too. That's exactly what I'm saying, Uguti.
But
These guys are promoters, event promoters, and it means they've done market research and blah blah blah. They know other places, but just because we are lazy of developing our city, then we want everything to happen in one place that is already developed.
also, besides this indaba inale guys, I was actually following Brighton with the journalist Effect. He raised a very important point. Esithi khona yes siyazwa ukuthi ngama terms e lease agreement lawo but sikhangela ama bylaws are more than 50 almost 70 years ago. So he was saying, okay, so if this is the case, how many other bylaws akhona asele 60 years ekhona guys 60 years ago lakathesi izinto sezitshintshile besides this issue ye-Queens. So he was saying imithetho le emdala kangaka anti imithetho iya evolve isiya ngama needs lama lifestyles abantu awe community. So he was saying guys the city is governed ngama bylaws alabo 70 years ama bylaws afakwa ngesikhathi se-rotation.
I think I don't want to be political, but there is a lot of things that haven't changed in Zimbabwe. A lot. Mina bengu construction industry. And even imithetho lokhu isebenza khathesi ngeka Smith.
I think
Kunengi kakhulu vele if we are to get to that and I think singakubala like all day. Okokuthi vele akukatshintshi vele and because ungakhangela phela even khona kobulawayo khona ngicela untshele one i-building ende eyakhiwe after 1980.
Mina phela 1980 ngangazalwa so
I don't think there is any.
Akula.
Yeah, there is.
Akula silokho si-renovate ama-building akade vele khona and siyadiliza sifuthe kahle.
Bulawayo center uphi?
Ibulawayo center yakhiwe.
So 96. I'm sure. I think 96. 9596.
At least we've got one.
yeah, it's something else. So
it was just ground there.
Yeah.
Go
so
empty.
it was something else.
Sakhweza phela nje. So asingeke sikubale.
Abayiqala phansi.
Yeah, at least pari yikho bona konto right nxa siphikisana nge1.
Yeah, but yabona ukuthi point yami sekuthini indaba zena lezi in as much as it is arts iyaveza okunye okungama gaps okukhona okumele ku-address.
Yeah, true.
But hayi ukholthatha ubunandi kabuthandi shem.
Hayi ukholthatha ubunandi kabuthandi ubuthanda endaweni yobunandi.
Ubunandi
abuye endaweni yabo.
Mina I think kule ndawo zakhe. But mina ngiyamsekela kakhulu because ungakunanzelela isport like for instance cricket as you said last week, it brings both the arts yabambanisa kuthi cricket
khona vela indawo engelamthetho vele igcina isiba indawo
yokudlalela
kumele kwesisikhathi silandela ama standards lemthetho ekhona. I think we have to
because kuyabona enye comment ku social media omunye umuntu ekhale sithi khathi why lokhuza bekhala trying the shutdown ngento yabo le cricket kuphela but no cricket the shutdown wa check and ama artists amaningi asowala but the cricket will actually employ
yes
abantu from Bulawayo more than a shutdown yeah that was the argument.
Now I was telling someone city I was sometimes issue layer If you want to really understand abantu, ufuna ukufunda abantu when it comes to i-debate le shutdown, abantu abakhuluma ngama-points okufani, just click on the profile. Just click on the profile.
And also,
Abantu bona bathi shutdown wathi inti siyahamba kuphela just click on the profile. You will see
yibo phela umthetho
uzabona ukuthi
engitshele ngabo,
i-type iziphi zela lezo.
and mina I think uKolthat kukhona okunye singayekela ukuvumelana ngakho anti, but I think mina kubadala bendawo esisaba laba anti, I think mina uKolthat wenza kahle ngoba uhlokoza lapho bekuvele kungahlokozwa khona. Ngananzelela emuva ngale we just had tribal battles yelo asimfuni ngoba lishona sebesilwa anti. Alright, izinto eziqhakathekileyo ke no one was talking about them and bebetshona bebanga ukuthi hamna yimi indebele so yimi kumele mbe khona lo lishona kaphuma. Akuyenzi like asikhulumeni into ezinje so because kuyasivula lathi thina mehlo and so even lwana umjido wami la uthi shutdown yayifuna lawe wena ocabangayo othi akumela ngibe la, at least now we have something constructive that we are talking about,
Exactly.
rather than ukutshona sichinga uthi lo lishona khathi sabaye bathi waye bekhuluma ishona kwedakamela. Right,
You know, that was a disappointing perspective for me. Why? Because mina ngizitshele ngathi umcimbi lo okadakamela, the fact ukuthi government officials are recognizing the event, it means this event is growing and it's going to have a very big impact. And khathi esinxa ehambile nxa sihlala sikhala emgwaqo la uyabebona imigwaqo injani la uzawuthi kukhulunywa imigwaqo but ugaqolwana ngeke ngawuhamba. You get what I'm saying? Izinto ezinjalo labo bafike ebantwini and see what happens and experience what happens. I think somehow izinto ezinjalo they influence ama policies ayiwe esihlala sikhala ngawo and marginalization esihlala sikhala ngayo.
You remember what I said last week? I think I spoke about this. Ngikhuluma ngomcimbi kaDakamela. And it was before the dogs started barking. And I said it was good ukuthi minister obekhona. And I also said it was good ukuthi minister ukhulume ngeshona. Why? Because it's a cultural event and umuntu ositongeni kakhulume ngestonga. Umuntu wesifenda akhulume ngesifenda. IXhosa likhulume ngesixhosa and we are displaying different cultures and so wena entweni yonke enhle enziwe nguminister wabuya wazoletha catering yokudla okunengi waletha abantu wangezelela security, it was secure that place. Bekubuya abantu abaningi abakhulu kubuya amapolice just because kulo minister and it became a nationally recognized event ngoba uminister ubuyile and uzabuyela ngala fika yafaka feedback ukuthi into le ibindla and wafaka futhi lesithembiso zakhe azifakileyo and konkhana kuphushwa into abeyibonile and wena into okukhalisayo ishona kuphela. So andiyabona ukuthi akuvumi ukuthi kulezinto eziningi ezenzakeleyo ezinhle then wena uyehlutshwa ilanguage. It's like umuntu ocomplain ukuthi why ama support ebhoso abehlabela ingoma yabo abayihlabela mina ngingakazalo. Wena ubusuthinga ngayo namuhla.
I think enye into iwungazi because uyabona kwazi ukuthi abantu laba vele behave njani when talking about ama Highlanders fans. Anyone okwaziwe ukuthi ivele ama supporters Highlanders behave njani wouldn't be worried about them saying.
There's a guy ansakhumbula ngo Scotland othe asikhulumeni iqiniso wonke ama supporter weBhora eZimbabwe afuna ukuhlala eSoweto ukuthi bayisaba. Bonke bafisa ukuhlala eSoweto. So I mean I think into language there man entweni enhle asibukeni lokho kuhle lo. Kokubi singayekeli futhi ukukhuluma but kokuhle asikhulumeni ukuthi umuntu lo wayele team eningi encedisa i-ushering encedisa security whatever encedisa i-catering i-team eningi kakhulu eyabuyayo. So umuntu lwana uthethe even yena sebuyelile emsebenzini do you know ukuthi wachiya abantu.
Can I ask you something? Ukhona wakhuluma ngesikhiwa
laphana encenga ngamphumile.
Okay. No, I just wanted to ask because
Yeah.
befuna ukuthi so lapha kusolwa ukuthi kukhulunywa ngesishona bekusolwa ukuthi kukhulunywa ngelanguage engasosindebele. Those are two different things. Omunye umuntu angasola ukuthi kukhulunywa ngelanguage engasosindebele.
But kwakula
Isishona,
mandebele antini amandebele South. Sindebele se-South phela sifana lesanga. So wakhuluma umama lwana ngesindebele sakhe se-South. Then ngesikhathi sokubalwa imklomelo uChawe wayebala ngesikhiwo.
No one complained.
No
So
one
i problem lapha is Shona.
Hayi abathanda ishona sithi.
Lesishona sikabani?
Ishona sithi. Wait, ishona selizwe. National heritage.
I think as abantu we need to learn to
Ukwehlukanisa.
focus on serious issues
Yeah,
sometimes.
yeah.
And lokwehlukanisa, yes, you are right.
Yeah.
Ngoba awusoze ucomplain uthi ama supporters eHighlanders ahlabela athi
Lamlela nangamajoni embulala. Ingoma
ingoma eyayivele ikhona
Kudala.
sifika thina and namhla sokumele kutshintshwe ngoba uLeslie feels uncomfortable. Hayi guys.
Karwena vele uthikale PF xa ungekho comfortable. Yiko phela into yabungale impilo yethu. Yabu-comfortable kona.
Okusalayo i-life iyasinyisa sonke whether ulishona whether ulindebele.
Abekebisi babehlabela ngale.
Uza kuya-
Besithi mandebere munobapire ikotoro, munobapire ikwawa.
Focus.
Alright.
Okusalayo whether ulishona mbe ulindebele mbe ulikhalangani
Yeah.
uzahamba e-UBH uthole kungela pain easy.
Yeah.
Uzahamba empilo uthole kungela pain easy. Sonke i-life iyasinyisa. Speaking of indaba
But lokhu
ka
akubuhlungu lokhu.
Peaches.
Do you
I
know
saw the
ukuthi
video on
kubuhlungu
Twitter.
ukubona umuntu ovela ku-accident anti omagazikazi ekhithwa izigqoko kumbe izihlobo kumbe ngabangani anti yibo asebezama ukumdonsa usefikile esibhedlela ebantwini mina embabonayo kuma-video amboni i-uniform kanesi amboni i-uniform kadokotela mbona umuntu olele embhedeni ongela oxygen ongela drip olayithwe ngefoni kare akula yini i-emergency yokuthi lo ulimele because that guy could have lived. I can bet he could have lived if ngabe wathola proper
first
attention
aid and-
in time.
and everything.
Imagine umuntu ungabona senze ngizicelela i-pain is it means akulanto esengiyitholile.
And the person is
Esibhedlela.
in pain.
Uvela ku-accident uvela shaye edoni leroli. Kulaba foyenu ababili because there are two guys and a lady that died on spot and
Sometimes I wonder ukuthi of course singakhala ngokuthi akula ma resources esibhedlela and stuff but ama staff ama nurse ama doctors bebengekho labo futhi just ukuthi babekhona nje bamncedise ngakhonoko kukhona even khona ke sikhulumayo ukuthi izigqoko and what's
because ungakhangela ku video awuboni uniform emhlophe lapha like ngabantu nje abagqoka amajini yibo and uyabona alright mina ngikwazi ukuthi umuntu ole fracture ubanjwa njani and ngapho senzama ukuthi ngimkhiphe ijini ngiyamqamula wesi.
Besides vele uyabonga kutrainelwanga khona ukuhandle emotionally vele uyabonga kutrainelwanga enxena awusuphanika
insizwe umfowethu ngicine ngimkhama
so ngiyazibuza ukuthi yazibuza ukuthi so as a nurse anti njengomuntu osebenza esibhedlela umuntu ekhala kabuhlungu kangako umuzwa you don't feel a thing.
Mina
Umsebenzi lo uyakwenza ukuthi ube tough ngaleyo ndlela yokuthi you don't feel anything umuntu ekhala ngobuhlungu.
Gone are the days where people would choose a profession according to their internal calling. Karesi we choose a job according to what's available.
Still Leslie khathesi wena
silabonesa abaningi okumele ukuthi ngabe bagebha imigwaqo ku construction. Ayisikho kwakhe vele but there was no any other option. What else can I do? Nono mpombo kuya kuba ngunesi. But receive nxa ungamkhangela ukuthi umuntu lo gift yakhe ngiyolisa amafoni. Ungamnika ifoni ukuthi ifoni le ifile kalali so cheka so uke wacheck iwire lana connected torchini uke wacheck but kungathuthi umuntu egula yena vele ukugaya ukuthi ifoni lana ngingafika lapha ngitshintshe ibattery ngitshintshe pouch leya because khathesi hayi akusekho njalo man
This
And
guy
Konkana is
ubengala mali like as an artist ubengekho that made it ukuthi abengahamba
akula muntu okuthiwa that made it ku-art
private
eZimbabwe
institution.
ngaphandle kwalaba abachawa ngamakheni yibo omade it yibo bodwa omade it laba no because upinjis phela waduma songani sokulesikhathi I think last hit yakhe ihit sibili lami engingamlandeliwe ngayizwayo ngosayina and sokuyisikhathi and Kareso yabusuphila ngamashow and amashow ethu ngawongapi emabar and ukuthi kuyathiwa lingaqeda ukuchaba linika ama-crate angu-2 le fuel yokubuyela so ukuthi sibili ukwanisa ukuthi 2000 le medical aid landlani kunzima ngaphandle kwabangani bami abachawa ongangithanga ikheni yokujijela imike
But you know what? Mina
khawulisa
indaba kaHoly 10 kan. Holy 10 angimthandi. But zwana ngutshele but indaba yokujika izinto umuntu eperformer I don't support that. Because uhamba ukwazi ukuthi uzaba khona e-stage. It's not like ubungakwazi. Nje bebhaliwe e-posteni featurings bani.
No mina nxa ngisuka endlini andi ngiyabe nilalele ingoma leyana wayithuna nge-auto tune andi emnandi abantu laba babhadalisa imali ezincane amashow abo babhadalisa imali eziningi and mina ngisuka endlini nilalele u-auto tune ngaze ngafika ku-show nxa ngifika ku-show ngi-expecta at least into eduze le-auto tune or engcono ubusuqalisa ukunika into ongani kuperform abantwana be-primary hayi awungathi bengingakwazi mina ukuthi wenza idoti so live so bengingakwazi
yena bamshayelile
lokungazwakali phela kuyinto kwakhona
Uyakazi uthi but
lokungazwakali abantu bakhiphe amashow ama-$20 umuntu afika then sebekhipha isikipha wena imali le i-hard end le
hayi but uphuzilana yilo mnyama shebona
akalamnyama akalungise i-stage presence
every time he performs something weird happens kulesikhathi abanye bamhoza futhi kulesikhathi abanye bachanti uWinky ngesikhathi performa yena there's a time abambhuwayo they're like boo
uyazi ukuthi nxa usuzimisele ukuthi le yinto esemfuna ukuyenza empilweni andi kumele uzimisele in everything uyabona uWinky is not a good vocalist
okay
but uyakwazi ukwenza ukuthi into yakhe ikholiswe ngabantu andi so laye lo webhonga andi like kafocus kwampani ukuthini alright sengabe ngingenza ishapa andi but lami ngidinga izinto ezizayenza ukuthi abantu banjani bakholiswe yabona bakholiswe but ungavela khona ukuthi namuhla ubuthethisa abantu kusasa ubuthethisa abantu hayi vele into lena you should withdraw
live futhi abashawuda
no ilive ingcono ubonela ukuthi uposteni sithi uWinky wayo begqoke isudu eyipink kuSlay and Tuku
kanti ubegqokela i-event phela
yena uHoly 10 kulokuthi afunde ukuperforma esudwini eyipink yena usola isudu lo phela akazakachawe ngamakheni lo esudu eyipink akazange achawe ngamakheni wena uchawa ngamakheni every show ngempahla zakho ethi zi-appropriate khipha phela impahla zakho eziyipink wenze kuhle
and I was seeing ama-videos edukezi le abafazi bayakholisa phandle la
ya umfazi vele I think uyafuna ukuthi abe le ndoda emkhangelayo ngoba hayi abafazi bafuna i-tight marking bathi yabodwa
but it was a women's affair. It was a women's affair. So women were feeling free to do whatever they wanted because it was a women's affair.
But anti kule camera, le drone. Women's affair karese ngilazi mina. Inansingeni lika Mkamandlovu. Ngilibonile Chausa Bhengu.
but you know what? Duke Slay, mina ngibona kwamani. I think ile target audience yayo. There's a certain type that enjoys Duke Slay.
But bekugcwele phela.
Baningi abantu bangikhona.
Hayi but Jiki abafazi buki
Bayithanda Duke Slay. Even abesabathe abaphiwe beli chance but bayithanda Duke Slay. Abesabathe. Bayithanda wena kulo mfazi wethu Duke Slay. Into
Hayi mina ngithanda. Mina ngithanda
ishe. Awusikuthi awuthanda. Awukangeni kiyo kakhulu.
Ubani?
Wena.
but ile ubuya phela lapha evile Queen bese Queen wawugcwele futhi.
Hayi mina bakhona bangayithandiyo.
Ngobani?
Baningi abanjengami so.
Hayi. Akula mfazi ongathandi Duke.
Mina usho ukuthi ngisomfazi ke. Alright mina ngisomfazi ngiyindoda anti yonke le ndevu. Angithandi Duke Slay.
Uyayithanda Duke Slay ukuthi laba bamcaphulile laba bakade. Akade
Not abakathesi. I've been there. I've attended Duke Slay. I've attended Duke Slay.
Uyabudukile.
No, it was the first time.
Uyabudukile.
First and last time. I never went there.
Udukile.
Ngadukile sini. Ngasileya.
Right, mana nginike a good example ukuthi abantu into ezithandayo zifana. Yabona kwechigumira. Do you know ukuthi kungakabi lo Samrio? Abantu wawuthola begcwele so ngaphansi kwegumtree lelana. Uma ngabe bakholisana abantu bona. Abantu laba bakholisa begcwele so ngaphansi kwegumtree kwamba. So I think into ezithandwa ngabantu yinto nje ephombo engelamthetho eminingi ukuthi ngiyafika la mlekhula box yami la ngiyafika la lokhana and khathesi Duke Slay.
They are making money. They're making plenty of money. Mina there is something that I like about Duke Slay though. The fact yokuthi wonke umfazi can go there, whether it's a young person, umama wabantwana, married, single, divorced, widowed. Anyone who wants to go there can go there. That's what
avunyelwa
amadoda. Avunyelwa. What is a women? Like I said, it's a women's affair.
So tshela abazayo ezingeke ezikhogeleza bonke ukuthi.
You know what?
Khambe siphefuma open.
Khambe siphefuma lama service providers.
Mina ngi-service provider.
Nxa uyi-service provider, the good thing abafazi laphana ungeni uyabungale kuma-services.
Hayi anti ngiyabe ngiyi-service provider kwamphawu
angaze mbone a function which is not church of course, where women really be themselves and enjoy the event as much as they do with Duke Slay.
Mina I think labo mama bebandla hallelujah kumele baqayise labo ukufika uDuke Slay evangelism.
No, you know what, like I said, women from different backgrounds grow there. We abathola churchmate khona ngale
abanye bangcwele kakhulu so bengicela labana abangcwele baye evangelizer kwabe ngela amadoda
baye evangelizelani
ma Duke Slay.
Men are so jealous. So the judge Duke Slay. Why are you jealous? You're so jealous.
It's mina abangcwele kabaha.
You are jealous.
Baye chumayeza aba Duke Slay because the next thing.
You know
what? Ukhona mama owe estudweni umbone. Ngizakutshengisa ivideo yakho okade ekadeso estudweni ezama ukugida phezulu kwestudweni wabe siwa so ngathi lo uzahambela nje ngifake doctor lo. Lo I'm telling you because caresses le 2 esibaziyo andi oyilapto samfake embrengini andi caresses lo munye
indaba yama fake doctors angiyizwisisi
indaba
ukuthi how do you just wake up and become a fake doctor?
I don't just wake up, I work on it. I work on my fake.
It's something that I was saying ukuthi I believe laba abantu abangama fake doctors umuntu wakhona uyabe lokuyi background nyana alakho ku field yena leyo ekuthini even engaso doctor maybe umbe waba unesi umbe wayenza nursing wangaqedi umbe wayenza ikhosi yokuba ngudoctor wangaqedi or wasebenza maybe ku administration in a health institution or something like that, because you can't just wena ngeke uphonga usuke ebulawa theater ngale uthi sensiyavula isurgery ngibe ngudoctor ngilapha abantu ngiza google. I don't think that's possible.
Yeah, khona ukuba possible awukho possible and but mina ngiquestiona kakhulu isystem because ukuvula isurgery anti kulamaphepha okumele wa-acquire kumele u-approve i-Ministry of Health andi and kumele ukhiphe izithupha zakho ezokuthi ungudoctor ungakaphiwa i-surgery. So singakafiki ekuthini this practicing doctor yena ukufundele ngaphandle upasiswe njani ukuvula i-surgery. Kanti omunye wayelapha empilo la
hayi we-surgery nxa i-surgery ibingapaswanga yikho kwenze kwagcina soku-investigate
ibingapaswanga yona lapha ungabona into
umuntu uvula ishop wabhala surgery enxa sebechecka sebonthi kule surgery esingelayo emabhukwini endaweni enje. That's when they started investigating.
Mina I think ungabona usufika ekubotshweni ukhona ongasadli.
True.
Because akula ukuthi kuthiwa akula hayi vele akuvumi vele because hayi akuvumi because into le iyakhanya uyakubona amajini lawa ijini eshoka kakhulu ngabogwethe ijini eyabibhalwe Adidas Puma Gucci ijini eyi-1 nale Nike iyakhanya into leya because ifake iyakhanyila phana ukuthi into le is not one.
I see you guys. I see.
You know ukuthi kungathiwa qamba ama-surgery nxa ungumuntu like othenga imithi ngathiwa qamba ama-surgery wonke ase-CBD koBulawayo uyakwanisa ukuwaqamba surgery yehlukene le supermarket. So i-surgery ibe khona libe selisithi lina umuntu siyambamba after 3 months njani.
3 months is a short time. Umuntu uyabanjwa after 5 years.
So phela kukhona okuyabe ku-wrong. So asuye yedwa udoctor lwana ofake. Bakhona abanye abantu abafake esingakafuni ukukhuluma ngawo. So akhona ama-minister afake, akhona ama-investigator afake, ikhona i-system efake ehlule ukubamba into ezifake.
Yeah.
Because madoda umuntu aza bali lacto.
Because I remember last time udoctor we-lacto ezebanjwe sake sakhuluma ngakho sathi so ama-doctors efake ushuthi akhona maningi phela angakabanjwa. Because and khathesi sokuvumbuluka komunye futhi. Now not only the doctors, what about the nurses?
Nje mina very ngilungisile uniform yami. Serious
when issue yakhona. So guys, it's actually tricky. Impilo zethu zisengozini la. So I think into esingayenzakala ukuthi nxa ususiyalajwa kudoctor uqala uthi ngicela ukubona i-CV, ngicela ukubona ama certificates ngapho
nxa uyangena esibhedlela uvela ku-accident uze uhlale uzucina usucela i-penny ease kungela muntu oku-attendileyo nje ukuthi ungehluleka wena ubu-operator kwampa ufake akula system phela la.
Yeah.
Anti kumele nxa ngifika lapha nhle ngiqagwe sengikwazi ukuthi kulo Leslie oku ward 6 room 4 and o-attendwa ngonontutuzi. Mfika vele kwambana.
That's true.
But nxa ungela muntu ongi-attendayo do you know labana ababemkhipha amajini laba sebengaba ngodoctor baqasa ukudoctor the next person badoctelwa nomunye because nxa ugqoke kuhle wagaxa ama-headphone abo la kahle ukuthi nangu udoctor.
Okay,
ama-headphone lawana abawagaxayo lawa doctor.
Issue yangikhona le it's something else. It's really something else. And angikwazi ukuthi into engangizibuza yona ukuthi kathi ekubeni ngifake doctor lo we-surgery I understand but owesibhedlela uyabutholani what you gain.
Yeah. So behold.
Uthi ube ku system.
Because wena ungeke uvuke every day ekuseni uyekuba ngufake doctor empilo ngaphandle nxa ule problem engqondweni.
But I remember
sakhe Eastern Cape.
Angithi lo esasilaye lapha thina la.
But you know I remember sikhuluma ngakho ukuthi vele ama-doctors vele antala ama-deal abayenzayo ukuthi they charge ama-patients they take their own private patients to the public hospital and use the public hospital facilities to treat patient yakhe. So wena khangela Leslie wena unje so uhambe ku-doctor Nonduduzo ufake doctor ufike bese sithi enjani empilo laphana vele akula service uzafela embedeni. So the best thing ukuthi mina ukuthi ngikwenzele first izinto zakho nginike okuyi-$20 nginike okuyi-$30 then usuyi-patient yami but sengu-admitanga
empilo
ngisebenzisa umbheda wempilo ngisebenzisa imchina yempilo ngisebenzisa ama-facilities empilo
Kodwa
which is
mina-
nxa kumele ngu-operate ngiyakuhambisa e-theatre impilo but imali i-payment ibuya kimi not esibhedlela.
So anti ngiyabe ngikwanisa futhi ukusebenzisa ama-facilities empilo anti kulabo sister in charge abambonayo abasaziyo staff sonke. Sikhuluma ngithi phela la do you know ukuthi mina ngike ngasebenza ku-construction and we had over 1,000 workers but abantu ababe beku-region yakho le team yakho even bengu-600 yabo bazi bonke and uyabokwazi ukuthi lo asisebenzi layo. So akula yini wayebona ukuthi undoda lo phela kakho ku-system. Efika vele day 1 wayelethwa mbani because awufiki phela upomba ukuthi right wena olekhanda ambethatha lapho sembili imudoctor la wena ambethatha umqokolo lapha ambethatha umvilo.
Ukhulumile phela ukuthi laba abakade abamajina akade behengi upintshizana ukuthi sebengahle umuntu
ahle vele aqalisa ukusebenza.
Yeah, so i-problem ngama institutions ana lawa khona, institutions in place yiwo angela mthetho right, yiwo angela transparency, yiwo angela order, yiwo angaqoqekanga.
Nangiqoqekile.
So guys, that's it for today. You know, siyabonga ukuthi lilalelile uLeslie ekhuluma.
Mina kade ngithuthi.
Siyabonga ukuthi lilalelile uLeslie ekhuluma, lami ngiphonga uvuma, mina bemphonga you know. Sibonge iScaftin chicken for the food. That's why uLeslie ekhuluma kakhulu. I always say that's why uLeslie ekhuluma kakhulu, because he is full. Uyabedlile ezimnandi iScaftin chicken. So you guys can also go to Scaftin chicken liye order ukudla kwenu. It's along Habit Chitepo between is it 6th and 7th, between 6th and 7th.
Mvumbululo omunye umgodi.
Yes,
Mvumbululo omunye umgodi. Man, Karimbani. Ole nakhosi.
Yena Leopold. Solo point.
Mina manje mvumbululo omunye umgodi. Mana ngutshela. Karindawo kahle. Mina ngathi mvumbululo umgodi wena ufukuza umgodi wakho.
Okay.
Uyabona ungafika kweTabs. Ungangena lapha ubusufile udlule uchicha. And ungadlula kweTabs. Kule kombe sengikhohle ibizo la. Khombana ngabe ngithi fe. Ngizedingani bensizwa kunukelela so. Ngathi ngiyathi ngabona Scaftin chicken. Opposite komathi. Ngahle ngathi ngicela ama-chips ali ration ufake la masalad wonke asecompany. Kwabe kuthiwa $3.50 kuphela. Bafake i-green salad, bafake i-cucumber, bafake i-onion, bafake i-tamatisi, bafake i-lettuce, bafake i-khosolo. Kukhona okunye okwesikhiwa kade bekufakile kompa bafaka I like this stew. Let's drink.
So guys, there you have it. Scaftin chicken is the place to go to. Nxa ufuna lunch kumbe nxa ufuna whether kusekuseni lunch ikhona anytime, even kathesi ebusuku you can go.
Plus abantu abamnyama sila lunch. Ngavela kuphela ukuthi sokudliwa lunch.
So guys, please do subscribe, comment and like. Sifuna ukubona ama comments enu khona lapho ku comment section sizukuthi what do you guys have to say about Enkundleni exclusive podcast. Likhulume nje likhululeke, it's a free space. Leslie is not going to judge you. Thank you so much. Please do also follow us on Facebook and Twitter isikhona, Instagram sikhona, TikTok sikhona yonke indawo lingasithola, and do like and share ama post esebesiwalokhuza and esebesiwaposta. Thank you so much guys. Nondudu Zoncube ngihamba lo General Leslie usemfundisa ukusalutha. Bye.
Alright, kuloku ibhera lapha uthokwile ibhera notification ukuthi ping nxa kule yenye next episode maybe enxenyelwa buthongo uyabona soku remind ukuthi bra ambe exclusive and but from me, Leslie Masuku, lo Nondudu Zoncube, Ole Kawash, and the crew behind the scenes, salibona singalikhangela.